If you are daunted by the thought of trying to connect your rental software to your website, Booqable has the solution for you. You can forget hiring a developer, skip the complicated codes, and connect Booqable to your website in a matter of minutes. It is our widely popular online reservation feature that updates your Booqable product availability on your website in real time, so you will never have to process a double booking again. The installation was also designed to suit any level of technical experience, including very beginners. You can display a large inventory with our neat product cards by pasting just one code, or simply add Booqable's booking buttons into pre-built product designs of your own to keep you in control of the font, the text size, and the images. Your customers will be able to select dates from your Booqable rental period calendar, browse through your Booqable products, and add these to your Booqable shopping cart. And they can reserve and pay for their order through the Booqable online checkout in the click of a button. The best part is, you won't ever have to update any store settings through your website again. Update any settings in Booqable, and we will automatically update your website for you. Shopify, WordPress, Squarespace, and Weebly customers can follow along with our video and written tutorials to complete this installation in a matter of minutes. This here is an event rental website that a customer of ours, Provo Party Rentals, has created through Wordpress and taken advantage of the super simple WordPress website plugin and tutorial video to integrate their Booqable account with their beautiful WordPress website, displaying product collections and individual products by category. This is a bike hire website of another customer of ours, Cycle Sierra Nevada, created through Squarespace, and they have used the Squarespace Booqable video tutorial and Booqable button codes to show their product availability with their stunning individual product cards. This now is an electronic hire website that a customer of ours, JH Hire, has created through Shopify, and they have used the Shopify video tutorial to connect the two platforms to create an intuitive website with individual product cards for customers to add to their shopping cart. If you have a website with another platform, no worries. Follow Booqable's written guides for how to connect Booqable to almost any website platform or host. Connecting your rental software to your website doesn't have to be a headache. Booqable is used by thousands of rental businesses across the globe. Our website installation feature will show you why.